Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're gonna see how to use the text function in Excel. Text functions in Excel are incredibly useful for manipulating and formatting text data, whether you need to extract specific parts of a text string or format numbers as text. These functions can help you handle various tasks. We have concatenate. It is used to join multiple text strings into one, like this example. Also, we have left and right. It is used to extract specific number of characters from the left or right side of a text string. There's also mid, which extracts characters from the middle of a text string based on a starting position and the number of characters. There is also len or len that returns the number of characters in a text string. Also, we have upper, lower, and proper. Upper converts all the text to uppercase, lower converts all text to lowercase, and proper capitalizes the first letter of each word in a text string. Also, we have find and search, used to find the position of a specific character or substring within a text string. Find uses to find case-sensitive search, and search is for case-insensitive search. And finally, we have text. It is used to format numbers as text according to a specified format. And that's it, guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.